Hey there Monopoly Go enthusiasts. Today we are diving into how to unlock the Egyptian cat token in Monopoly Go. So if you're looking to add this exotic token to your collection, stick around because I will walk you through the process step by step. So the Egyptian cat is typically available during special events or limited time promotions in Monopoly Go. Keep an eye out for announcements in the game's notification center or on their social media channel to know when the event goes live. Now, once the event is live, head to the event section in the game and you might need to complete specific tasks such as landing on special tiles, collecting tokens, or reaching milestones in a tournament. Make sure to focus on the tasks tied to the Egyptian cat reward. Now, to speed things up, use boosters like dice multipliers that is available just right here or power-ups. These can help you complete event goals faster and increase your chances of earning the Egyptian cat token. If you are struggling, consider purchasing event packs or tokens from the in-game store. While this isn't necessary, it can give you an extra edge if you are short on time. Now, once you've completed all the event tasks, head to the reward section to claim your Egyptian cat token and it will be added to your collection. And there you have it, your roadmap to getting the Egyptian cat in Monopoly Go. Now, go out there, roll the dice and dominate the board with your new token. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and leave a comment below with your favorite Monopoly Go token. Until next time.